This guide walks through EyeStream installation and go live on a compatible slit lamp, from mounting the module to aligning the image in VisuDock with what you see through the eyepiece. First, mount the light view illumination module on the slit lamp. Then route and secure the module cabling along the lamp so it stays clear of movement and the examination zone. This module supports infrared background illumination for meibography workflow when you select the meibography mode in VisuDock. Next, remove the slit lamp eyepiece and keep the parts together for reinstallation. Mount EyeStream on the eyepiece interface designed for your slit lamp model. When the module is seated correctly, reinstall the slit lamp eyepiece so you can examine through the same optical path as before, with EyeStream integrated on the mount. Connect EyeStream to the computer with the USB cable supplied in your kit. Route the cable so it does not interfere with slit lamp movement or the examination zone. Connecting cable to computer and open VisuDock. Long press switch on EyeStream to switch on. Start the live image view. You should see the slit lamp feed on screen when EyeStream and the software connection are working. Insert a focusing rod on slit lamp for clarity calibration. Use the side focus knob on EyeStream to adjust image sharpness on screen. At the magnification you use for examination, turn the knob until the live image in VisuDock matches the clarity you see through the eyepiece. Take your time. This step is designed to align screen preview with your clinical view before you lock focus. When eyepiece and screen sharpness match, tighten the set screw on the focus knob to lock the setting. This helps keep your alignment stable during routine use. At the workstation, connect the VisuScience speaker to your computer. The speaker supports hands-free capture and mode commands in VisuDock when voice control is enabled in your workflow. Run one test with voice capture in VisuDock to confirm storage and review. If you have any installation questions, contact us at info@visuscience.com.